Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy Easter and happy Sunday. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video like this, you will be the first to notify. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can resolve your KYC problem and everything you need to know about the KYC process. So guys, I'm going to leave the link of my Telegram channel in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel. I will be updating you on Telegram before I move to YouTube. So I'm going to advise you to join my Telegram channel. So guys, I've been hearing a lot of complaints both on Twitter and Telegram channel. People are complaining that they want to complete their KYC but it's not working, but the KYC option is not working. So in this video I'm going to clarify you on how you can resolve your KYC issue. So guys, here you can see this is what the Rubi team said about the KYC problem. Here you can see that current KYC problems. Hello friends, if you remind about KYC 2.0, unfortunately until now we have not been able to announce anything about the implementation schedule of KYC 2.20 with the global authenticator mechanism. The main reason is that KYC 2.0 charges fee based on Mana A token is not ready. KYC 2.0 cannot be implemented. So guys, I'm going to explain what they said here. So guys, and here you can see that in this situation increasing productivity is a must. While KYC 2.0 cannot be deployed yet, so we need to find a solution. We have discussed solution for this situation and the result is that we will upgrade KYC performance with an update that we call KYC 1.6. In this upgrade there will be a number of improvements focused on increasing the efficiency of the members of verified staff, thereby handling a large number of KYC requests. So here you can see that before, if you want to complete the KYC is on 2.0 version. So if you complete your KYC on 2.0 version, the KYC is not going to be processed, because here you can see that KYC 2.0 cannot be deployed yet. So if you complete your KYC on 2.0 version and you can see that the KYC have not yet been deployed yet, that means that if you are still on 2.0 version, you are not going to be qualified for the KYC unless you upgrade your version to 1.5 version. That's the current version that we are using. And here you can see that we will start building the KYC solution from March 25th as a priority target. The construction process is expected to take place between 60 to 90 days with the goal of releasing a global KYC solution. Here is an expected schedule. So guys, this is what they are saying. The first thing is that they are going to upgrade the KYC version to 1.6, and this KYC version is going to conduct from March 25th to 25th of June 2025. This is where they are going to upgrade our KYC version, where it's going to allow many users to access the KYC option, where you can be able to do your KYC freely and quickly. So, and here you can see that the KYC is going to be released by the end of June. So that is what they are saying here. And if you scroll down, you can see that this is the advantage of the KYC 1.6 version. The first thing is that continue to use Rubi as a service fee with a KYC fee sharing mechanism. A large number of KYC staff are recruited from miners who have completed KYC before, then trained in the process and guarantee access to the function. Candidates who wish to become validators need to prepare a certain amount of Rubi to stake as collateral for their job responsibility. If you are a validator, you will be granted access and perform verification works on your mobile phone. Remuneration will be paid immediately every Sunday afternoon at UTC time. So guys, what they mean here is that if you are going to complete your KYC on 1.6 version, and if you want to become their member, that's if you want to become Rubi member, this is the advantage. The first thing is that they are going to pay you every Sunday. They are going to pay you every Sunday, and you are going to stake your Rubi coin as collateral. So once you join this Rubi team, they are going to train you and you will be able to become their member, and they are going to be paying you every Sunday. So here you can see that what you need to do, you can see I've already explained this before, that if you leave your KYC and complete your KYC in 1.6 version, you are going to enjoy and you will be able to have access to your KYC very quickly and very easily. So here you can see this is the advantage of the KYC 1.6 version, and if you become their member, these are the advantage. The first thing is that before you become their member, you must complete the verification. You must complete KYC verification. And the second thing is that you will have to stake some Rubi for collateral. I've already explained this. You must take some Rubi, and this Rubi is going to be refunded to you once you have complete your work. They are going to refund your Rubi that you stake. And here you can see that you will be able to request, if you don't want to participate in their team, then you can request. And here you can see that we will delay sending more KYC invitation in version 1.5. With a large number of KYC invitation waiting, we will limit sending more invitation to prioritize resolving the backlog. KYC 1.5 completion time is no longer as committed. Miners who have qualified for KYC and accepted the invitation, please note that we do not guarantee the completion time as committed in the KYC service. We will try our best, but do not commit to the time. So guys, I've already explained everything you need to know about this Rubi. The reason why they are delaying the KYC is that many users are applying for the KYC, and this is where you are going to see what I'm talking about. So once you come to the Rubi dashboard, then you are going to click on this icon, then you are going to click on user verification. Once you click on user verification, you can see eKYC. Then you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, then here you can see these are the criteria for you to be eligible for the KYC. And here you can see these are the KYC condition. The first one is that complete ownership information over 30 days. So what this means is that you should keep mining this Rubi for over 30 days or for 30 days. And the second one is that explore at least 30 Rubi. So what this means is that you should mine up to 30 Rubi. If you don't mine up to 30 Rubi, you will not be qualified for the KYC migration. And here you can see that I received invitation from KYC 1.5. So this is where people are confusing. If you complete all these criteria, because I know most of you have completed most of these criteria, but this last one is not ticked. This last one is not ticked like this second one. So this means that it's the Rubi team that they are going to invite you to the KYC. It's the Rubi community that they are going to send you an invitation of completing your KYC. Once you have completed these two criteria, then they are the one that they are going to send you an invitation, and then you are going to complete your KYC. And what I've been said earlier in this video is that you can see that KYC 1.5 version. So we are still on 1.5 version. So 1.6 version is coming up by the end of June. So if you do not complete your KYC now, don't worry, just wait. I will advise you to wait for the 1.6 version, and the 1.6 version have many benefits. So either you wait for the 1.6 version, or you are going to wait for the team to invite you for the KYC migration. So guys, that is all I have to say about this KYC migration. And if you complete your KYC and they haven't migrated your Rubi coin, you are still going to try your luck again. So if you do not complete your KYC, just wait patiently. They are going to invite you. So guys, I'm going to advise you to just wait patiently for the 1.6 version. So guys, that is all I have to say about this KYC. And if you haven't joined this Rubi, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video and the referral code. But before that, make sure that you are fill in your information. You can see my information. Make sure that you fill in the information that are on your national ID card or your passport. Make sure that you fill all these details. Make sure that every detail here is correctly. And for you to complete the KYC, you must have verified Rubi. At least have 2 or 3 Rubi for you to be able to complete the KYC.